picture, you can put your legs up. Bruh, fuck a hug, won't you come and fuck a thug? Everywhere that I done been, hoe doing shit to win. Getting free before it's 10, so a nigga going in. Got some syrup and some gin, and I'm feeling top notch. I'ma tell you and your friend, ain't no time for hopscotch. Cause you're dealing with a thug, with a couple screws missing, but he let it juice.
That's the same girl. You looking at my sexy girls. We peeping you. Hey, Danny, big booty, real booty Danny. Liking it, baby. Shots out to you. Know what I'm saying? Got that Bacardi. Got that Moscato. You understand what I'm saying? We partying. You know what I'm saying? Right now, this just a warm up, baby girl. You know what I'm saying? Got Budweiser's. This ball for you. Ah, sexy. You know what I'm saying? Holla at your boy. Death before dishonor. Moscato Mafia. You dig? It is what it is, baby. Tell Drake Dreezy and Rick Ross, you know the ball said what up. You know it is what it is.
Baby, if you wanna, you know we can fuck the bed up. Bounce on the big bitch, or you can put your legs up.
See, everything good. You can see she need a little bit of toning, but she alright. See, you can see a little bit of the fat deposit, but it ain't sloppy, it ain't nothing, just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But she right, man. She definitely right.